Hey folks, Adam here, and today I wanted to show off these BGment. These are knockout curtains. You can see they're ultra thick. I'm showing off the burgundy. They come in a variety of colors, like a dozen different colors or more, and these things really do block out the Florida sun. So and when it comes to the actual closing these bad boys, you can see how quickly and efficiently these things are going to make it easier to nap in this room, because I have a bed in this room and I want to be able to take a nap. I went with the theater red because this is kind of my theater studio, and they really do a great job of blocking out the light. The thickness and quality is fantastic, and you can see how quickly, you're blocking out the light, and the phone adjusts, but it is really, really bright outside, and you're not seeing it come through the curtains at all. So this is a great quality product. They hang very well, and pretty much from the time you get them out of the box, they get rid of the wrinkles real quick. There aren't a lot of wrinkles. 1.6-inch rings, and the rings are sturdy and steel, or at least metal, so you don't have to worry about any damage to them. So go ahead and order yours today. Get a nice curtain rod with them, and you're not going to be disappointed. So BGment, great curtains, great quality. Order today, a variety of colors. Get the color that works for you. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Let's look one more time at the quality, huh? Fantastic.